How do I replace my alarm? The alarm will need to be isolated from the main supply unless it is battery only model. Then the alarm head will need to be removed from the base using the release lever, and the head can be replaced with a compatible Espire alarm replacement. The mains can be reapplied and alarm testing can be carried out. Check that the red LED flashes at 40-second intervals to show that the alarm is functioning, and the green power status LED is permanently lit. Press and hold the test hush button for a minimum of 10 seconds. The alarm will sound and the red LED will flash. This ensures the replaced alarm has been completed successfully. It is advised that the alarm is tested weekly after installation. When disposing of the alarm must be recycled in accordance with the Waste Electrical and Electronic Equipment regulations.